Hello, good morning, my people. Africa people, now when be so na like to dey ask money at every time, every second. Shey una see this place now. Shey una see us everywhere white now. When I look up, nothing like snow, no be snow dey fall. This one now because of the cold, grant they carry the block. Now they feel am, una go dey ask money every second. Now no know how people take dey get the money. Now see us everywhere white, they block. Now see am, now see am. This one no be say na sand they put for ground. This one no be sand, nothing they put for ground. You see am? Now they see am. Junge! Now they see am. Cause una dey ask me when a person say no get, now begin they shout. They say person, now see the wood. So na wood now. Now see am. When wood they just block like this now, freeze like this now. How human being be? Human being will be say they walk inside. How it go be? Junge! Junge man! Remove your hand glove first and do it. Nothing. Nothing everywhere. Water of me, huh? Nothing. Nothing. Now see us everywhere they white. This one not be snow. Put it there. When you finish, you take it. You have pocket. Put it inside your pocket. Hurry up. Nothing us everywhere white. Yeah? Nothing. Because a person talk now say this person don't carry black boy put for us, so now he cause oh. Now make can no one bring money come us, so now see as inside this place be so, who go fit come and go work? Eh? Person suffer, enter. Junge! Come. Come. Angela, hurry up. Person go inside here now, go work now. Now not even know how much they pay them per hour. Now one make that they carry all the money come they give you now. Cause now like money pass. We went to Europe, we not like money. Now they dress sexy, now they do everything. We dey here, we dey tie ourselves. Now see the way when I tie myself now, even with hand glove. Now see, now see, Europe things. Now see the way one person take the dress. Now see. Later on, I'll begin the shout. Now see. This one are modern things. Now see as I dress, pack 20 clothes, put for body. Now see, more than tell no so European life not easy. Now when be so now like to they ask money every time. Eh? Now see, I just pity for those girls who be say that they up themselves, that they do prostitution outside. As this weather be now, this bad weather now, the poor innocent women now they'll still go there, go sit down. They set themselves. Now I don't know how they take make the money. Money when they'll still take the same for now. When I say they do better things now, not go use them for better things. Yeah, now life. This one are Europe. This one are Europe. Life in Germany. Germany. If you never hear how cold take day Germany, make una go ask una people. Make una ask people una get friends there because now when be Nigeria now no place where be so na no for get friends. Now the finish. This one a hand glove for cold, not be to walk. Now for cold. Now see as people take the dress. Hurry up. Now see as people take the dress. See ground. See. So on a block. Not be snow before. Now see Now see as the block even be. Make one. Now they see Now they see This one not be sand though. Before now go begin they say because nothing when not they come out for na mouth because before now begin go they say no man now this one a white glass. They know they see white glass, but I know say nothing when be say they know the year for na mouth now when be Africa. Now they see Now they see this one not be snow. Snow is different. The snow fall, go still white like this. This one now snow not fall for this city when I did. Snow not fall. This one a block. Now they see inside bush. Now they see. This one now a block. The thing they block ground they block. It's because they feel cold. Not be sand that they pour here. Now see everywhere be. Now they see I don't feel waka make I show now everywhere. Now they see before now go say now me pour the sand there or now me pour the what it called there. Now making now they see everywhere. So Africa people if now they ask money, make una see the reason, make una see the pity for we when we say we dey Europe. Okay? Una see the pity for us. If person don't send our money, you know me say carry man put for house. Now he cause you know me say carry woman put for house because person not just send to na money now go say Una go say wait, una go say na because of man woman wey put for house o, na it cause am o, this and this o, blah blah blah. Na see am school dey now, na see am school dey, person go follow inside this school now go beg money, go do shoroti. Then una go see the shout me send for now. This one na share now. Wey be say people dey sit down put. Na see as the share block. See where they put dustbin. Na see as the things block. This one na block o. They no put them for freezer. Na see na see na see ground. This one na road o, where car even dey pass. Na see everywhere block. Everywhere block. I beg my people, our Nigeria people, make una dey suffer. Life in Europe is not easy. Make una dey take am easy with una people wey be say dey Europe. Life in Europe not easy. I repeat, life in Europe not easy. Make una still dey pray for them. Make una try. Make una, because some of una go dey do juju for them. Make they no even dey any money wey they make. Make they just dey use am for themselves. Make they no even dey do something for their life. Make una be careful. Na see suffer when the people they suffer. Most of una now they use una hand till they kill una family. Now they use una hand till they kill una family, because person wey dey here now maybe you not get work now. Now go the force am, go do wetin your mate they do, make you take get money. When they enter road now, enter street now, make they do wetin others they do till they make money. Wear your hand glove. Go do wetin others they do till they make money. And the next thing now they go die. They go die. Now since so now they use now until they kill some of una family. Now so I come, now so I talk and reach today. I bet people won't be saying I never know me. Now me be Mama A and T. Now if you add me for Facebook, name of Bible Bless. I have my Facebook name. I did do live video there, even for hook up, for food, many things there. For my YouTube now, still subscribe to my YouTube. My YouTube name now Mama A and Z. My Facebook page name now Mama A and Z. Mona follow me, Mona subscribe, Mona still share this video. I love you all. I love you. I love you. I love you all. Oba atop be.